Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Last time I ripped this nest ball. It was pretty fun. But today, do some of this. And it is, what is that? Paldean Fates? Paldean Fates from Scarlet and Violet. But we're not just going to do that. We're going to do two different ones. You know what? These are called tech sticker collections, by the way. We'll do three. Let's do three. We got three different ones here. I don't know how many different ones they have, but yeah, we're going to do three. So, in these, you get I think that's a promo card maybe? I'm still learning, so comment, let me know. But you get, yep, one foil promo card. You get one tech sticker. You get 3 packs of Scarlet and Violet, Paldean Fates, and a code card. So, then we're going to have 3, 6, 9 packs to open up, and we're going to have 3 different promos. So, well, let's get started with this. Who is that? Greavard sticker pack. It's only my second Pokemon rip that I've ever done. Real quick. Yeah, okay, I'm recording. Like, sticker. Pretty cool. Give that to my son. And then we got, let's just do this. There we go. Behind me. Code card. There. And then we have promo card. Well, then we got 3 packs of upside down Paldean Fates. Hey, I know that one. That's Pikachu. Go ahead and off the side. So, what do you guys think of Pokemon? Let me know. If I screw up, let me know. I don't know the names yet. I only know what I've been watching and what my son yells at me about. I wonder if this is one to the front also. Woo, it is. Alright. Water. Charcadet. That's pretty cool. Toad is cool. I know they really want like shiny cards. That's what everybody's looking for, shiny cards. And it looks like we got some shiny cards in here. I gotta learn how to do this right. Oh, what's that? That is a Squavit. I don't know how well that's picking up. And it goes to a reverse. That's a hollow, right? Yeah. And then it goes to a reverse of a Deadening. And then there's another hollow of a Reverum. That's cool. That's some kind of promo box. So, code card. Okay, that's a frame. Yep. And one. So cool. Which psychic? Maybe. That's pretty cool looking. Let's see. We got Varoom, Mankey, Magmar, Scrappy, Ultra Ball, Swoobat. And then we have our first. We got something very nice back there. At least I think. Maschiff. Cool. Next, we have a Mimi Jr. And then, oh, there we go. What is this? Great Tusk. 53 of 91. Great Tusk EX. That's a sharp card. I like that. After this pack is cut And then you'll see all the other ones. We'll get that right eventually. Okay. Unpack so we can just bang right through them. So, fighting energy, I believe. We got Magmar, Nimona, Charmander, Rare Candy, Moonlit Hill, Charmeleon, and we have a Doshpan, shiny card, Tinkatuff, I guess it's a hollow. You guys are probably screaming at me, you don't know what you're doing. No, I don't. And we have a Natu and a hollow Professor's Research. Cool. So, real quick, we have 2 more code cards. There you go. And there you go. And we got 6 more packs. Also, now have a promo card of Fidough, Maschiff. Get into it. I'm going to be getting some better lighting, so that way I'll put that eventually the right way one of these times. So that way it's a little bit brighter next time. Okay, we got a whatever energy that is. Ghastly. Clive. Burst. Second reverse, a Barboach. And then a hollow of Mimikuru. Whatever that is. So this one? Nope. Go. Front. Flip. I saw something pretty back there. We got a Marmactus. Scraggy. Fiddle, another weird looking thing. Artisan. Kirlia. Oh, what is that? We have a backpack. What is this? This is a Espathra EX. That's a secret rare too, because it's 214. I don't see that very well. Sharp card. We have reverse hollow of Purist Kicks of a Totapool, and then hollow of Lavish Hospitality. No, I'm reading here. Goldingo. Good lord. Okay. Let's make sure we're doing this right. Because I don't know if I got something that's worth a lot or worth a not. So. Alright. Sleeved up. Next pack. Okay, next cross. Alright. Wrapper behind me. Now this way. Nope. The card. Back to the front. Oh. That looks nice. See that? Okay, anyways. expected. I got Lano. I don't know what that is. Reverse Hollow of a Noibat. And a Reverse Hollow of a Woobat. And that really shiny card. Squawkabilly. No idea. Squawkabilly EX. I mean, this is fun for me. I mean, it feels like I'm hitting hit after hit after hit after hit. It's only my boo-booed already. Let's try like that. No. Oh, how come I can't get that? Front. Pillow or electric. And we have an execute. That's kind of funny. That's kind of insane. I like that. Some of these I've already seen, but that's to be expected. First reverse. Then our second Gengar. And do we have anything nice in the back? Do we get 3 packs of them? Nope, but it's a hollow. That's a pretty cool one. Surulege. 2 packs to go. Keep it on camera. Haha, got it. Front, over. First, nope, not yet. Alright, here we go. So that's a hollow. I gotta watch more videos and figure out the names and stuff here. And reverse. And then another hollow. I like that. That's a nice card. Last pack. Magic? Oh, we'll see. Maybe we're in it to win it on this last one. And... nope, upside down. We'll figure it out. Ooh, fire energy. I wonder if this... I know this has been out for a long time, but did these have the hollow energies? I know 151 does, I think. Trainer, nothing. Artisan. There's something shiny back there. There's our first reverse of the Eggs Acute. Second reverse. Oop. Down here, boys. I have a Haunter. And a final card. Hollow of Zatu. I think that's a hollow. So what set did the full arts and all that stuff start coming out? Or the SIRs, or I don't know what they're called. Maybe I got one here and I don't even know it. So, anyways, so I got 3 EXs. I got 3 promos. I got a good little stack of shinies here. And then a good stack of base. So we got a Squawkabilly EX. We got a Great Tusk EX. Oh, we're gonna see. There we go. And then we got a that one EX. But let me know. Tell me what you think. Do you like these? Got some cool stickers. Got some promos. At the end of every video, I'm going to start doing some shout outs. I did on the last one. Just the Rip. Mean Dean. He's always commenting. He's commenting on my stuff, your stuff, their stuff, everybody's stuff. He's always dibsing too. Dude likes to dib. And he is very funny as well. The SV Vintage. I ain't gonna say anything about you being a Patriots fan, but us Colts people, I'll let it slide because you're pretty cool. I love watching your videos. You're hilarious with the stuff that comes out of your mouth. Alright. Love y'all. Peace.